I wanted to take a moment to explain a few things about the rich text editor. So if I say you need to put things in the box ever in the future, I'll usually say the rich text editor, but this is what I mean by the box. So there's lots of options on here. I pretty much make every Sakai site with the tools on here. So I just wanted to show you how to insert a link into your forum post. So let's say I just had deleted this and said Museum of Fine Arts, Boston. Right, so now I've got this title right here. I've already gone into the Museum of Fine Arts and just copied that link. Command copy. If you have a Windows machine, I'm sure you know how to copy things. So when I go here, I just want to make sure that I highlight the Museum of Fine Arts Boston. And then I'm going to go to this link right here, click on the link. I'm going to paste the URL in. Okay, that way anyone who looks at your post can just click on the link and it will open rather than having to copy and paste the link or have some kind of weird, link information that doesn't really make any sense. That's how you make things in the rich text editor look really clean. So I've got that note right here for you. The other thing that you may choose to play with is the fact that, so what I've done here is 1, 2, and 3. There's all the same sort of bullet pointing and sort of numbering things. You can't really do outlines in rich text editor, but that's sort of just the way it is. The other thing I could do is I could, instead of having this be numbered, I could say give myself a title. And the way, oop, that was an accident. I did not want to click that. Shh. What you want to do then is you can choose between all these heading styles, right? So I could go ahead and I could say, ooh, Egyptian costume. There it is. If you really wanted to. And so just realize that there are all kinds of different options here. You can even put in a YouTube video. You just would want to make sure that you put the cursor where you wanted the YouTube video, and then you could click on this and you would paste it down here, which is what I'm going to do so that you can view this very video. Okay.